Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to convert video to audio in 2025 on iPhone. So let's start. I will share to you some tips that you can follow to do it. So let's start. First, let's go to the method, the Shortcuts app. Open the Shortcuts app. It's pre-installed on your iPhone. If not, just grab it to the App Store. You have to create a new shortcut. Tap the icon plus icon, name it something like video to audio, and tap done. Then enable to share sheet access. Tap the info icon toggle on show on the share sheet, and under receive choose media. Then add the encode media action. Tap add action, search for encode media and select it. Tap the arrow next to it and enable audio only. Choose your preferred format, example iPad or M4A. Then you have to save file, action, search for save file, add it, and this will let you to choose where you save it, the audio. Then you have to use the shortcut, go to your Photos app, select Video tab, share, and choose your new video to audio shortcut. It'll extract the audio and save it to your Files app. Well guys, these are the tips for doing it. I hope some of this helped you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.